Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how you can put a single name on display on Facebook. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So first, let's go ahead and open up Facebook. And from here, tap on your profile on the upper right corner and go to Settings and Privacy and click on Settings. Now here, go to Account Center and tap on Personal Details. So tap on Your Profiles, and from here, choose your Facebook profile in here. Next, tap on your name. And in here, you can see that you have your first name and your last name. Now, if you want to display just your first name, you can tap on your last name. And you can tap on the X to delete all. And here you notice that you won't be able to tap on review change if you do not put any character on your last name. So all you have to do is just put one single space. So let's put a space in here. And after that, we can see that this review change button is now available. All right, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.